Miss Teresa with the Box Springs Library. Welcome back to another edition of Make It Monday. Today we're going to make a mug rack that you can put on your wall. It's perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or any extra place that you need a little extra space. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alright, so all these items I got at the Dollar Tree with the exception of the E6000. So just keep that in mind. You're going to need 5 of the over-the-door coat racks. And what I did was, these came white. You don't have to paint them black. I did for mine because my broom handles are black. So I kind of wanted it to match. You can make it any color you want. I got a pair of pliers and I just crimped the ends, and where it would be L-shaped to hook over the door, I just made it straight, and then I just hammered that out and make it as straight as possible. Then I painted it, spray painted it black, and then that's how that looks. So you're going to need 5 of them, okay? And then you're going to need some black zip ties, again Dollar Tree. And you're going to need 2 broom handles, again Dollar Tree. Make sure you take off the sticker, okay? So let me get set up and we'll go from there, okay? Okay guys, so we're going to start with our hangers. And what you're going to do is we're going to put these, I'm going to have to move it so you can see it. We're going to put these on our handle, and you're going to need some kind of adhesive, E6000, the liquid nails. Dollar Tree does sell a version of their E6000, so you can also get that. The one I watched, she actually, and I don't remember where I got this idea from, but she actually cut her top so that she took this off and cut the top. I want to leave my top on because whenever I go to hang it, I need something for it to hang into, okay? So what we want to do is put this up towards the top. We don't want it to interfere in the hanging process, so I want to go all the way up to the edge without going over the edge, okay? And we're going to lay a band of glue here, and then we're going to zip tie it. And the reason why we're going to zip tie it is because the zip ties will hold it while the glue dries, okay? Because you can see it's not quite flush, so you will need a time for that glue to dry, okay? So we're going to zip tie at the top, zip tie at the bottom if you have to. It just depends on how many zip ties you have. Again, I got these from the Dollar Tree, so if you have to, you can get 2 packs, okay? So there are 5 of the racks. You're going to need minimally you're going to need 2 zip ties per rack, which would be 10 zip ties. Ideally you would need 4 zip ties per rack, making a total of 20 zip ties, okay? So we're going to start with this and then we'll be back. Oh, and something I forgot to tell you guys, whenever you're getting your adhesive, get it clear or whatever color you're coloring. Like if you have white broom handles, of course a white E6000 would work. My broom handles are black, so I need a black one. I swear everything is just in my way right now. Okay, so I'm going to show you this first one. So I did put some glue down, and I didn't go far enough down, so we're going to add some more E6000. And you want to be pretty liberal with it. Okay. just going to stick that down. And again, you can see it's rolling, and this is why we're going to use the zip ties, okay? Would not recommend zip tying with one hand. Okay, so I've done, let me move this so you can see a little better. Okay, so I've done the first one, and it did move. That's why my E6000 did move. You can wipe it off if you want. I'm not really going to worry about it. And what I would recommend is doing the whole first side on one, and then go back and add your second one. To me, I found that easier. And then you're just going to clip your zip ties, the extra off. So the hardest part with this is to get it to line up correctly, okay? Once you get it to line up correctly and where you want, give it 24 hours to dry, okay? Then go back and do your other side. This is not a rush through project. You will need to let it dry, okay? So we'll be back. Hi guys, welcome back. So we've done the first row. Remember, we let it dry. I'm going to show you a few things on here, and then we're going to start the process with the second side, okay? So let me put this down and let me show you a few things, okay? Okay. So I want to show you a couple of my mistakes, and we're going to go over some things, okay? So you see I tried to use the liquid nail, and the pack I had apparently was old, and it glopped up, and it caused some runoff. And then whenever I first started putting on my E6000, I messed up here, and it got on the handle, and then you can see it has some drippings. Don't worry about that. I'm going to show you how to hide that once we get it all made, okay? So whenever you're doing this, if you're by yourself, one thing I would suggest would be to put your broom handle between like two books. That way it wouldn't roll like mine was rolling at the beginning. That way it would keep it from dripping. So now we're going to do this other side the same way, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, welcome back. We have let it dry, and we're going to snip off the ends of the zip ties, and I'm going to show you how to fix the mistake I made earlier, okay? So let's get started. Alright guys, we're just going to snip off these ends. If you messed up your thing, like if there's any white showing, you can always go back and touch it up with some paint, a marker, anything like that, okay? So remember that spot that I did the liquid nail on that really got gunky, and the top that the E6000 leaked out over? So this is how we're going to fix it. I found a vine in the closet. So all we're going to do is zip tie it, and it'll go across the top and then down the length of the rack. So that way it'll kind of cover our mistake, okay? Now once this is glued, if you want to cut the zip ties completely off, you can. I just cut the ends off so that way they're still there giving support, but they're no longer out in the way, okay? So let me slide this down. So we're going to go from this end to the other end. So we again take our zip ties, and my vine has little chains in it, so I'm just going to slide it through my chain. Come back here. Take this zip tie there. And then we're going to go down the length of that broom, okay? And then, so you can either put it on straight or you can twist it around. I'm just putting mine on straight, okay? So that is up to you. I have 3 more zip ties, so I'm going to put one about a third away down, and then put one towards the bottom, okay? We'll be right back. Thank you for joining us for this edition of Make It Monday, where we made the mug rack. I hope you can create your own. Remember to like, share, and comment. We love seeing your creations. And until next time, bye.